they claim are the accused is a very critical violation of Article 21 of accused wherever they are across the country. Now, we are having instances where they're not only just photographs, they're being paraded with ropes, handcuffs, etc. by the police. We have put those photos. We have added a pen drive with all the videos as well.
Yarns and stories. Either way.
We've all been victims of that.
And then result in a media trial completely subverting the rule of law.
This question, in fact, came before your lordships in the Sahara versus SEBI case. 2012 judgment, where your lordship said that in order to balance the Article 21 right with that of the media under
publication.
Therefore, absolutely, postpone publication.
Sahara was more in a more innocent society.
Correct, it was. I can't.
Sahara never had to deal with intermediaries, social media platforms.
We instantaneously put it out, after which no control.
Other things.
Not only your police people,
Yes.
the busiest person on the earth.
Yes.
He will stop the scooter, he will stop the car, get out, prepare a video with the mobile.
While the
He
person
has
is
no time.
bleeding to death, nobody will help, but 100 people will have their mobile phones out to take the video.
People are dying on the road in accident, they will prepare video. This is the level of sensitivity. We have now how to a coordinated mechanism which should deal with all three wings who are responsible, whether it is police responsible, the general public responsible, or social media responsible.
Right.
There can be three main factors who are responsible.
We could do that. This is getting a little out of hand, where police authorities across states are using their official social media handles and they catch hold of people they claim are accused of offences. They
But you have annexed the UCL judgment.
I'm the amicus in the PUCL judgment, which is why
move this repetition.
I beg
Because
pardon?
in PUCL,
Yes.
this coordinate bench has given 3 months for the states to comply with the directions of framing guidelines.
that is correct.
So if
That's,
that is so, then
Yes.
what in that order is being passed
There's-
sometimes in January
that's correct. That's correct.
2026.
In January,
That
so they have 3
months
months to
time
comply.
has not gone. In the meantime, another repetition.
No. So let me just clarify something. I'm very conscious of this fact, which is why there's a small aspect which may have been oversight on my part. I'm very candidly telling your lordship. When I was assisting the court in the PUCL matter, we prepared a very detailed manual, and that manual is limited to, because we can't ask for directions against the media. Media will do whatever they want. So it's only regarding police briefings to be done and the nature of that. So that manual, your lordships have uploaded it on the website of the Supreme Court, and all the states, union territories have to comply within 3 months. Your lordships are absolutely right on that. This perhaps falls between two stools. That's why, in fact, Mr. Bharadwaj had come to me specifically saying, you were amicus, did you contemplate this? I perhaps did not. Now, unfortunately, I think the court decided to dispose of it in terms of that handbook, which is now going to be implemented by the various states. This issue of official formal social media handles of the police being used to put names and faces of who they claim are the accused is a very critical violation of Article 21 of accused wherever they are across the country. Now, we are having instances where they're not only just photographs, they're being paraded with ropes, handcuffs, etc. by the police. We have put those photos. We have added a pen drive with all the videos as well. Now, the problem is the consequential effect. Unfortunately, and I think as part of the institution, I speak for on behalf of the institution as well, we have situations where people across the board say, why are your courts granting bail to people like this? Why is that person being acquitted? We saw the photos being put out by the official handles of the police. Now, the entire function of criminal justice is undermined, unfortunately, by one of those actors within the...
Media briefings would definitely take within its suite
Yes.
the official handle of the police department.
Yes.
The official handle of the police department is the window on
Yes.
the social media platform.
Yes.
So the police's stance in respect of its functioning.
Yeah.
So your media briefing guidelines will definitely take care of this.
May I
That
make
it
a
should be
suggestion?
prudent, it
No,
should
your
not
lordship,
disclose
sir,
identity, it must have respect for human rights,
Then put it in
etc., etc. So why a
I have-
separate petition?
Then I have a suggestion. Then. I take what is falling from your lordship. Would your lordships put this, say, in May or after the vacation, Because if by then they have not taken care of this issue as per your,
What we are-
Well, probably, I do not
Yes.
know, I better, have examined better. Well, you should, if at all direction,
yes,
you'll have to see like the media,
नहीं दिए हैं, कुंदर साहब का order है.
no, it's only police. Which is the page of this which is right? Yes,
they prepare a video
yes.
and then they upload it or they.
Only police. This case is only dealing with police.
No,
Yes.
but what about,
What the
That
Honorable
harm
Chief
will not be-
Justice is seeing it on a larger canvas
Yes.
of fair trial.
Yes.
That we understand the media briefing from the police
Correct.
must be responsible,
Correct.
must be, I would say, reasonable
Yeah.
so as not to expose bias.
Absolutely.
Because in a criminal justice system,
Yes.
the investigating agency is neither pro-victim nor
Absolutely.
pro-accused.
Absolutely.
It is
Not supposed to.
independent investigation
Correct.
to unravel truth,
Yes.
to ensure that the center or the balance
Yes.
is maintained. The manual is a very positive step.
Right.
And the manual will restrain the police from making over-enthusiastic statements inferable with regard to guilt, subject to the adjudication in a forensic and dispassionate manner.
Yes.
What happens when such an exercise, though restraining police, is not able to remove the cloud or the vitiating atmosphere created through third parties and indulgent media who go on spinning yarns and stories
That
either way,
we've all been
and,
victims of
and
that.
then result in a media trial completely subverting the rule of law.
This question, in fact, came before your lordships in the Sahara versus SEBI case,
2012 judgment.
2012 judgment, where your lordship said that in order to balance the Article 21 right with that of the media under 19,
Publication. But
Therefore, absolutely, postpone
Sankaranarayan,
publication.
Sahara was more in a more innocent
Follows us.
society.
Correct, it was. I can't.
Sahara never had to deal with intermediaries, social media
No, no, we
platforms,
instantaneously put it out,
trolls
after which no
and
control.
other things.
not only your police people,
Yes.
the busiest person on the earth.
Yeah.
He will stop the scooter, he will stop the car, get out, prepare a video with the mobile.
While the
He has
person
no
is
time.
bleeding to death, nobody will help, but 100 people will have their mobile phones out to take the
Right.
video.
People are dying on the road in accident, they will prepare video. This is the level of sensitivity. We have, now how to regulate them?
No, that question came up in PUCL, Manoj. The problem is the minute we try to invite any attention to the media to try and control themselves, then it becomes a conflagration. Your lordships know. Article 19(1)(a) is pressed into service, and then this.
When they upload a video and then they ask that you now donate it.
So for the media, for the television media, we have the National Broadcasting Standards Authority, but those standards are self-regulated.
See, they are by and large responsible people.
By and large, yes.
By and large, they are responsible.
By and large.
One may disagree with their viewpoints.
Correct.
That's a very healthy.
Well, the problem today is everybody is media.
Yeah.
Everybody with a mobile phone is a media person. So now how do we control it? Every single person that is a witness is media. So then it gets out of hand. So that's why the narrow focus here is only on the police. But
In Delhi, probably it can't happen, but you go beyond Delhi in district headquarters, subdivision headquarters,
Yeah.
every third or fourth car
yes,
will have a red kind of
stick
plaque or the poster.
beacon.
Ha,
The light.
that and then media.
Huh.
Yeah,
Media.
Patrakar, social media, this and that. Don't dare to touch me. I am so and so.
That to be fair, I can tell you, lordships, I've had friends from the bar here who have said we have managed to go through the toll plazas by saying Supreme Court lawyer sticker laga hai. So, the possibility of abuse is high. The only thing is with the police, we expect that.
I was associated in 2014 to look after as in the governing body of the Indian Law Institute.
Yes.
And since 2014, I have been closely associated with the various committees and all these things. So there was an issue at that time, very honorable members of the bar used to be elected also.
Yeah.
So that election part, I am responsible for that.
Oh.
I drafted the constitution and stopped that practice.
Yeah.
So why I did is one day I incognito, I went to this ILI and there are few rooms where members could or professor,
Correct.
the faculty can come and stay there. So I found an ambassador car parked in front of ILI. उस पे इतना बड़ा बोर्ड कम से कम लगा हुआ था रेड में, सदस्य भारतीय विधि संस्थान. उस बोर्ड को देख के डर जाए आदमी, इतना बड़ा बोर्ड लगा रखा था उसमें सदस्य भारतीय विधि संस्थान. So then I asked that what is this mean? Who is this? They said that there is one elected member and on the way he had fiped at two places because he didn't pay toll tax while coming from Dehradun to
So then he put the board.
Delhi and he is staying here. So then I, of course, issued notice to him that I will suspend your membership. So this, unfortunately, these things happen.
No, so I have a suggestion, my lords. Because if
think
that
of-
compliance takes care of it, then I wouldn't have to trouble your lordships with this.
What we
So-
feel is you withdraw this petition.
Yes.
You already a pending petition where compliance reports are to be
No,
filed.
that's been disposed of. That's been disposed
That's
of.
been disposed
That's
of.
been
It-
disposed
the-
Gopal, why don't you think of filing, you tell them to, a coordinated mechanism which should deal with all three wings who are responsible, whether it is police responsible, the general public responsible, or social media responsible.
Right.
There can be main factors who are responsible.
We could do that. Mr. Mehta, I think, has very strong views on this, and I could file a petition. I could
On good, on what?
On-
I have strong views on many things.
on the media, media undermining the justice system.
No, I have no strong views on media.
I
Media
have heard
must-
his strong
must be
views on
free
too many
to
occasions.
whatever. They should not be irresponsible. That's all.
Media
that's-
does a commendable job.
But my lord, when I say media, my lord, media means
Mr. Solicitor, the problem with the media is the media feels that it should be an irritant. The question is, in being an irritant, it sometimes kills the process.
the difficulty is we have mainstream media, which is by and large responsible.
There is no.
But now, as Mr. Shankar Narayan rightly says, every mobile holder is a media
biggest
house.
problem is the atomized social media. How do we control it?
We have tabloids only on virtual platforms who are working as blackmailers.
podcasts and
Blackmailers
other.
are like anything.
Yes, my lord, blackmailers, it's an understatement. When I say blackmailer, it's an understatement.
So, if you ask me, that's another format of something like digital arrest.
Yes,
It's a different facet of digital arrest.
it is, my lord.
Unfortunately, it's still not being treated as a crime. But think of it that
Well, then will your lordship grant me leave to amend? I'll amend this. I'll just make those changes which are necessary, and then come back.
Then withdraw and file a
I think
fresh.
it's better, it will be a better option.
Let's do that. Huh? Your lordship may grant me that.
Wait till April, find out how many of the states have adopted
Three states have.
till now.
Oh, till.
They've got time till April.
Yeah, that.
Senior counsel for the petitioner on instruction 6 at the outset seeks to withdraw this petition as the petitioner wishes to file a comprehensive petition raising some allied issues as well. And say this is withdrawn with liberty of ordinance.
I'm most grateful.